Thank you. Let's go. Have I ever thought about being a director of a company before? I think, like many people, I just assumed that it was possible. Could I have assumed a few years ago that I would be the CEO of my own international financial company? I don't think so. I have never been a public figure. I have always been positioned as a financial analyst with long experience and excellent reviews. Everyone who has encountered this profession knows that it's a very specific field of activity and requires a special mindset and a good technical base in order to succeed in it. As a pragmatic person, I was an absolute supporter of the use of the latest technologies in the course of my work, and given how dynamically technologies are developing in the modern world, it would not be wise not to apply them in the field of automation of financial analysis processes. In March 2018, our team for the first time allowed themselves to put the management of multiple accounts in the hands of a trading bot developed by our specialists. And after a few days of successful operation of this bot, we were convinced that we need to completely change the concept of our work. And after 3 months of break-even trading operations, we realized that we had made a huge breakthrough in the field of exchange trading. It was when the idea of creating my own company was born in my head. I said to myself, Brandon, you've devoted half your life to analytics. Your team may have the best specialists in the field. You have already done something that other companies with much more human and material resources could not achieve. You must take this chance. More than 2 years were spent on honing forecasting methods of interactive interaction, software modernization, and forming a team of specialists. As a result of the huge amount of the work done, on August 21, 2020, people from all over the world have the opportunity to earn steadily with Beurax. One of the main advantages of Beurax is the high speed of getting quotas directly from stock markets and cryptocurrency exchanges. We get information about traders faster than other companies, and this allows our trading bots to respond to the market as efficiently as possible and make more profitable trades while maintaining the highest level of reliability. The Beurax trading bot is a unique development of our company's specialists. This is a special software that is used for automatic execution of exchange operations. Thanks to unique algorithms and the speed of data acquisition and processing, the Beurax bot automatically performs profitable trading operations in the non-stop mode, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. The operator can only periodically adjust its setting depending on the scope of application. Today, Beurax can be positioned as a symbiosis of investment and network companies. Our marketing is mainly aimed at attracting private investors from all over the world, in order to take a stable position in 2 business sectors in the future, due to a high level of recognition and impeccable reputation. The current Beurax marketing is basic and will be relevant until December 2023. In January-February 2024, according to the forecasts of our analysts, the company will have the necessary material and technical base to divide the company into 2 groups: hedge fund Beurax, which will take its place in the investment segment, and Beurax Network, which will be in demand among representatives of the network marketing segment. Due to the fact that Beurax was created during the unstable political and economic situation in the world associated with the pandemic, our business plan already takes into account all possible risks associated with economic instability. That's why today Beurax provides perhaps the best conditions for the obtaining guaranteed income with no risk for customers. As the CEO of the company, I will be happy to see you among our clients. Join Beurax and you will appreciate our professionalism.